So unless we understand these manuscripts, we will not be able to understand how medical science has evolved. 200 years back, mother's milk was considered to be very injurious, fatal for baby. But the advancement of medical sciences, we know it is one of the beneficial food for the baby, infant. So this is first thing, that to understand how medicine and how the medicine system has evolved, we have to go back to the original manuscript. The second point is, when USA was trying to patent turmeric haldi, USA was saying that we are going to patent it and Indians do not have right over it. Whereas in Ayurveda, in Unani system, haldi has been accepted as a mode of treatment. So a valuable manuscript which was preserved in our university, that manuscript was given to the FDA USA, Food and Drugs Department, that no, you cannot claim your patent on turmeric, on haldi. Our sages, our scholars, our Atibba, Hakim and Ved from Ayurvedic time, they have well documented that turmeric is a cure for many diseases, and that is how we were able to stop USA from patenting turmeric. So in future, if we get a claim like this, somebody comes and says, we are going to patent neem leaf, people leaf, I'm just giving a random example. So these manuscripts at that time is going to help us that no, you cannot claim your patentship on these, because it is well established in our system of medicine that the beneficial medicinal effect of these things are well documented. This is point number 2. But a third point, which is very important, which I want to emphasize, is the medicinal and the pharmacological accept. Those who spend their times in reading manuscripts. You know, when a author writes something, then he adds something in the hashia, in the commentary. So when you are translating, are you so faithful that you are translating the original text and you also translate the commentary of it? If you are not translating, then all those people who are going to read the translated work, they will be deprived of the information which was contained in the commentary of that. So if somebody comes and says, those who deal with manuscripts, there is something called critical edition. What is critical edition? When we have two manuscripts of a particular work and I am going to edit that work, so I will take into consideration both the manuscripts. For example, a particular work, the manuscript is present in Salarjung and the same work is present in Hamdard, same work, but by a different scribe, what you call Katib in Arabic. So when I am going to edit it, I will take Salarjung Museum copy, I will take Hamdard Museum copy, and I am going to edit it and write, in the Salarjung Museum, at this place there is a commentary, and in the Hamdard copy, the commentary is absent. So when we are dealing into critical editions of the book, we need to have manuscripts, and it becomes very difficult to edit a book, to publish a critical edition, when we have got only surviving manuscripts which has got only one copy across the globe. So that is point number 3 for the importance of manuscripts. Point number 4 is different words have got different meanings in different times. When we teach research methodology to students, we teach this. I'll just give some examples. मैं कहूँगा डॉक्टर साहब यहाँ आइए. Now what does this doctor साहब mean? Is he a doctor of PhD or he is a doctor of profession MBBS? So what is called context. If I am saying this in a hospital, everyone will understand by doctor he means a MBBS or a BUMS or a BHMS. And when I am using the same term in a university setup, it will mean Dr. Saab is a PhD scholar. Right? Similarly, words have got different meanings. अगर आप आज किसी को मुल्ला कह देंगे तो he feels very offensive. Whereas 300 years back, मुल्ला was a word for prestige. Mullah Nizamuddin Firangi Mehli, great scholar. Mullah Ali Al-Qari. So words change their meaning with time. I'll give recent example. What we call Divyang. आजकल एक word है Divyang, physically challenged people. अगर आप देखेंगे आज से 40 साल पहले they used to use the word Viklang. And now they say no, Viklang is very offensive. You have to use the word Divyang. So how words change their context and meaning with time, that can also be found out only through manuscripts.